Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
A tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai haere mai e te whānau, nau mai haere mai ki Palmerston North mō te whakataitai whutu pāoro mō te first 15 nationals. And it has been a really good season for the Hamilton Girls High School. First carry there by Christchurch Girls, their halfback. Orewa Murphy picked up on the back there by Kureta. Must mention that Kureta is also in the Farah Palmer Cup for the Waikato side, so one to watch for this game, whānau. Nice interplay there by the Hamilton girls, but a big defence coming in from Maddie Judd for Christchurch. Nice tip off. And again. And she scores in the corner, number 14 for Hamilton girls. Excellent play there by Poppy Baxter, is it? Hamilton girls looking to run it back though. Good footwork here shown by the winger for Hamilton. Another chip kick. The bounce of the ball goes towards the Hamilton girls. Hot on attack. Good passage of play by both teams here. Looking to go to the edge. They do have an overlap. Bit of a back flick there. Nice. Good carry here by Clinique Ratima. She going to go all the way? Yes, what a try. Great try there to the Hamilton Girls High School team, who is one of the coaches. She has been with the girls for 6 years. And, you know, that's 6 years of commitment to and volunteering your own time. So thanks for that, Angie. I'm sure these girls really appreciate it down in Christchurch. All right, here they are. Hard on attack. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're allowed to do that. The Hamilton girls were just coming in from the side. Here they go, Poppy Baxter looking to go over the line. Does she get over? Yes. She does deserve a try. Cadence Benjamin gone to the bench, 10 minutes. Baxter goes to the left. Great try out wide there by Kalivutu. Excellent play by the Christchurch girls, just being patient. We're just on referee's time now. Tap here. Kicked out there by the Hamilton girls. Referee says full time, and there we go. whānau, Hamilton Girls High School will go forward to the final of the first 15 secondary school championships here in Palmerston North.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.